So we are going to finish the monster by coloring all of the skin with the green texture that Adobe gave us in the monster's makeup. So to begin with, let's make a duplicate layer. Not a duplicate layer, but a new layer. We'll call it layer 1. And instead of a normal layer, we'll make it a color layer, which will allow us to preserve the details in the hands when we color them. Go to the eyedropper tool. Let's pick the color from the forehead, which is over in the color picker now as the foreground. We will use the brush tool. We'll use a soft brush at 60 pixels and 0 hardness. So we're in a color blending mode now. Let's select the monster with the magic wand tool. Go into the background, select the background, and select inverse to select the monster. Now go back into layer 1, which is now the color blending layer. And with the brush tool, let's paint over the skin with the color of the forehead. Be careful when you're painting near the shirt, because we haven't isolated the hands from the shirt and you can go over, but you can see with the color blending mode in the layer that we're keeping a lot of detail on the hands as we paint over them. So any exposed skin gets the color green. And some areas of the face should get more green also, because they have some flesh tones exposed. We'll deselect with Control D, and that's pretty much the end of the monster. It's finished at this point.